This photograph captures a lush garden beside a gray house featuring vibrant purple flowers, smooth rocks, and a serene natural forest ambiance. Irregular gray stepping stones lead through a lush garden with purple irises and white blossoms set against a peaceful, classic stone house. A well-maintained garden pathway leads to a modern stone facade house, beautifully illuminated by small lights embedded within the walkway slabs. Large, light gray stepping stones curve through a charming garden bed of white and yellow blooms toward a classic house with green shutters. Dark gray siding and stone accents define this suburban exterior, where a curved stone path winds through vibrant, dusk-lit hydrangea gardens. A smooth concrete walkway curves past bright orange marigolds toward a white stucco house illuminated by warm, inviting yellow lantern-style lights. Modern black LED lights illuminate dark pebbles and lush plants, creating a contemporary and serene foreground for this minimalist white house. Black cylindrical lanterns cast warm light over brown mulch and broad leaves, leading toward a modern house featuring sleek dark brick walls. Warm evening light bathes a minimalist white facade, while black garden lights highlight neatly trimmed greenery and a lush, vibrant green lawn. A curved concrete walkway is flanked by lush gardens and potted plants, leading to a modern white stucco home with recessed lighting. Smooth concrete slabs and wooden planters create a modern garden path leading toward a minimalist house with large contemporary glass doors. Sleek contemporary design meets meticulous landscaping, featuring black stone accents, ornamental grasses, and flowering shrubs against a light gray exterior wall. Large black planters with tall green grasses are illuminated by soft lights, set against gray pebbles and a modern wooden slatted wall. A winding stone-paved path transitions through various textures of rock and foliage toward a modern black and white house with large windows. Black mulch and a vibrant Japanese maple anchor this modern garden, where soft lighting and gravel paths lead toward a dark house.